Bro.
I can't do it, bro.
What?
I can't do it.
For real?
No, I don't do that. Tell YouTube goodbye.
My nigga, you cannot do that. That's not okay.
What's up, YouTube? I know I ain't posted in a while, but I'm coming back with a motherfucking banger, you feel me? Today, I'm gonna let my twin drive my car. Hopefully, we don't die. My shit low as fuck. I'm about to say, you can pull the seat up.
I did, hold on. I need this.
You need a seat belt.
Bro, I don't even know where she lives.
Bro, did you go?
Kinda cute.
The back.
Alright, hopefully I'll get there safe.
What the fuck you mean?
Tell YouTube goodbye. Wait, you ain't been posting on YouTube?
No, I ain't posting like a month and a half. And then he put a message at the end of his video and said, y'all spam Tino and tell him to post.
Oh my god, I'm driving SaeDenoo's car. I gotta tell Kendall this. Feel me? I was really nervous.
Come on, I'm finna call Danny. I'm call him.
Bro, I'm God, bro, cause my barber was tripping, bro. My barber been tripping.
Bro. Yeah, he not answering.
Bro, no, Danny, bro, you gotta answer, bro. We walking around looking stupid. Bro, we wasn't doing that tonight, bro.
Yeah,
I've been too bored.
Huh?
I said, bro, we wasn't doing that tonight, bro. I've been too bored.
Kendall gotta go. I seen an old man in a Rolls Royce from Cleveland.
From Cleveland?
The back.
I mean, I was really nervous.
His license plate said Cleveland. Hopefully my camera don't die. I should have one bar.
I want to say something right now, but I ain't gonna say nothing.
What?
You should record.
Bro, my camera might die.
Wait, what was wrong with it? Like, what you was wrong?
What you mean?
Like when I first got in the car. Like, what was wrong?
My SIM card. Hey, you finna come to Kendall house?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, that was in that conversation.
Bro, where the parties at, bro?
There ain't no parties.
Cause I know I'm fucked. Hey, if she... Never mind, I ain't gonna say nothing right now.
Damn, why you go that way? Fuck it. Yeah, my camera might die. It's only 3 minutes into the video. I don't know what to do. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. We had to make a pit stop.
On me, we did.
Cause Kendall, if you seeing this, you ain't never got no snacks for your clients.
Ever.
Your clients need snacks.
TV. You watching the TV though?
You got the 4K, but no snacks. But yeah, be back on the game. Be back on the what the fuck? Hold on, y'all. This motherfucking. I don't know what shit look like this. On blood. Enjoy that thing, cuzzo. Bro, that old ass man was looking at us. Why the fuck is it so sunny?
Bro, who the fuck? Bro, did somebody want to go see Avatar? I think that was
I want to see Avatar.
that was good. It's long.
That bitch long as fuck.
I still ain't see fucking Black.
Nigga, I took 4 naps. That hoe was like Batman. I took 4 naps and still woke up and it was half the movie.
Bro, no good. See, at first I was gonna watch that though.
Bro, that hoe long. Bro, that hoe like 3 hours, bro. And then the action don't start until like the hour 30-minute mark.
Fuck no.
I want to go see that other movie. That lady.
What lady?
That little doll.
Bro, Megan, bro, I'm trying. That's why I was asking, like, what the fuck y'all was doing tonight? I want to go see that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, and that hoe killing people.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking dog.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm
I really
what the
wanna see
fuck,
that.
bro? What type of kid movie is this?
Bro, they was going back on Twitter. That shit funny. It's like a Chucky verified Twitter page. It's going back and forth with the movie.
Oh my god.
That shit keep going straight.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
My shit finna die.
Lame ass niggas fired me for no reason, though.
Bro, I'm negative 16 hours.
Swear to
EBT,
God.
on God.
Lying.
On God, I'm negative
How?
16. Cause I ain't going yesterday. And they ain't accept my vacation. So I gotta wait till Monday and tell them to swap it.
Yesterday, she ain't on.
I got vacation though.
She ain't got. Well, she seasonal. She ain't got that shit. She crazy.
She gonna be gone in a hot second.
Bro, she was talking to HR today. I was like, bro, you doing? The reason she took off yesterday was to go somewhere and she ain't even going over there. Feel me? I was really nervous.
Man.
And she don't got 10 hours of PTO or UPT. I know she gonna.
Did she tell me she was sick?
She said she had a doctor's note.
Or she should probably be good then.
I don't think she could.
The only thing I need.
Also, that's a dumb question. You only can turn right.
Not right here though. It's the next one.
Bro, we was gonna be in a wall.
Exactly.
You turn right there.
I almost did this shit one day.
I go left.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
We'll be in a wall. Probably forgetting her ass don't got no service.
Surprise, we're high shopping. I'm lying.
Bro, what the? I thought this nigga was pissing by the plane. I ain't see this nigga.
Bro, is he peeing? Oh.
Bro, that's hoes. It's right.
Yeah.
Ooh, I got a direction. Feel me? I was really nervous. Oh yeah.
We gonna kill that boy tomorrow. Better slow that little Hondeezy down, cuz.
Keep going straight.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the back windshield. Tweak. True. This is the back windshield.
We gonna hit boy tomorrow.
Oh, that's a live ass Honda right there.
Yeah. Keep going straight. Right here, right there with the Honda.
Where?
That black Honda. Right here.
Oh shit. You want to park in the driveway?
Yeah.
I don't see no black Honda.
Bro, right there.
This black Honda right here.
Yeah, that's hers.
But that's not a Honda.
But it is a Honda.
No, that's not.
That's a Elantra.
But that's what I had.
Nigga, that's a 2022 though.
Yeah, the Honda though.
It is.
That's a Hyundai.
Oh, nigga, what the fuck is the same thing damn near?
Hyundai.
Okay, guys, we made it luckily, and I didn't die.
Feel me? I was really nervous. Yeah, on blood.
And what you gotta tell them boys?
Man, I feel like I did good, 10 out of 10. But I would not try it again though, you feel me? I was really nervous, you feel me? So, but we made it though, so.
Yeah, we made it. We finna get our hair retwisted, bro. Kendra, if you seeing this, post on fucking YouTube, bro. I'm sick of this shit, bro. You and your no fucking motion, bro. Fix this shit now. Dino out.